Alright, Speed Fam, we coming back at you with another banger. I got a good surprise for y'all today. We're gonna go ahead and stop at the bank because I gotta get some cash. And then we're gonna head out of town real quick. Just wait till you see what I got in store for y'all. Y'all gonna like this one. Alright, y'all, we just stopped at the bank, picked up the bag. Now we headed out to give y'all this surprise, and just hope y'all ready for it. Gotta stop and pump some gas. Got Enzo, got the babe in the pass. Let's go! Alright, y'all, let us know in the comments if you want to see her drift next. If anybody drifts, it's gonna be this one.
My videos coming next, and you have to watch my videos too.
All of her videos, she's gonna make a channel.
Yep.
And Mama Speed.
And Mama Speed.
And Nana Speed.
Nana Speed. Oh, you're Mama Speed. She's Nana Speed. Alright, y'all. Finally picked it up. And I still got the surprise going. Hope y'all like it though. Once I get to the crib, I'll be able to do a reveal. You guys let me know what you guys think it is down in the comments below. Alright, y'all, we back at the crib. I got the surprise finally back home. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and flip the camera. We're gonna do a reveal, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it up here because it was a little dirty when I got it. Let's go ahead and get started with it. There it is, y'all. We got the Infiniti G35 Sport sedan. And the really cool thing about it is, this is a rare one. Oh, we got the standard 6-speed, y'all. Hell yeah. Definitely gonna have to get rid of the rims. Those are definitely a no-go. Windmills like a mofo. I just couldn't pass this up. The price was spot on. I really feel like it was a good deal. I mean, the paint for being a 2007, there's no damage, clean title. Oh yeah. All right, let's pop the hood. The surprise y'all been waiting for. 2 Jay-Z no shit.
2 Jay-Z engine, no shit.
No, I'm just kidding. So we do got the HR motor, the dual intakes, and it already came with intakes. I cleaned these up last night. I think I'm gonna have to buy some new ones. And we also have to replace the power steering pump because it's making some noises. And it also came with some nice upgrades. We do have the still-in exhaust. Pretty dirty right now, but it sounds amazing. So let's go ahead and clean it up and start off by vacuuming it. And then we'll go ahead and clean the engine bay, clean all the dirt out from inside. We'll go wash it. And I definitely need a new front bumper because if you can tell, there's a lot of like, it just faded.
I'm faded.
Faded, rock chips. I mean, it is an 07, so very well maintained though, very well maintained. Alright, y'all, so 2007 Infiniti G35 Sport. I have heard that they come with an LSD already from factory, so that's going to be good when we go into our drift season. I am going to be putting an angle kit on it, a hydraulic e-brake, and definitely changing out those rims. Let's see how nice we could get it. I think it's going to be just like sweet little baby right here. Not as long, and this one's almost out of the garage too, so don't worry about that. But let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. We'll go ahead and bring y'all along for the ride, all right? Let's flip the script. All right, y'all, we cleaned it up. Still need to come through with a shampooer and stuff, but it's not looking bad at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on going. Just opened up the trunk. Seems like we have some rat webs, but get it cleaned up. So unfortunately, you probably can hear that out there. I don't know if you can or not. But if you can, that's the wind, it's the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. That's all I gotta say. I still wanna get some cinematic, especially with the weather the way it is. So let's go ahead. We're gonna hop up in the G35 and we're gonna go to the car wash. All right, see you there. All right, y'all. I know y'all probably thinking, God damn, look at them miles. Hey, it's just an engine, dog. Could be replaced. All right, let's go get this bitch washed up. And I'm actually not gonna wash it. I'm just gonna go do some footage. So that way y'all can see exactly what we got working with. All right, y'all, still need to vacuum up a little bit here, down there too, but overall, immaculate condition. We got the 6-speed. You know what that means. We got the CD009 in here. Oh, we gonna be drifting up in this baby heavy, brother. And I know this ain't America, but this is Japan America. Japan America. Oh yeah. We got the still and exhaust. Of course, like I stated earlier, we're gonna be getting rid of these big old windmills on it. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoy the new content coming. Got a lot of things in store for y'all. Enjoy the cinematics. Alright, y'all, so there you have it. Another one in the bag. Sorry if it's a little windy out here, but you know what it do. Stay tuned for what we got in store for you on the G35. Also, next video coming up, start up with the Mazdaspeed 3. Just waiting for some parts to come in. So stay tuned. Appreciate the love and support. 261 as of this video right now. Can't wait for what's to come, Speedfam. Stay tuned, stay blessed. We'll see y'all next time.